Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tune Project. Today I'll be teaching you how to play the song Rocky Top on the violin, so stay tuned. If you end up enjoying this video and finding it to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below, and if you're not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, I post videos just like this one every week, so consider hitting that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you never miss when I post a new video. If you're interested in taking a look at the extended version of this tutorial where I teach you how to play the version of the tune you heard just a minute ago, then head on over to Patreon using the link in the description box below. As always, the timestamps will be listed below if you'd like to skip around, and you can always adjust the speed in your video settings. Now grab your fiddle and let's get into it. So for this one, we're going to be in the key of D major, which means we have two sharps, so feel free to play a quick D major scale to get warmed up if you would like. And the first phrase sounds like this. Okay, so we started on the A string with those 4 quarter notes, and then we made our way down to the D string, ending on an F sharp whole note. Now, this next phrase is very similar. The first few measures are exactly the same as what we just played, but the last one is just a little bit different, so be sure to listen for that. Okay, so the notes were very similar, we just had a slightly different rhythm there at the end. Moving on, we have a continuation of the verse, which means more similar notes and just subtle differences in the rhythm. So here's how this third phrase sounds. Okay, and the last phrase of the verse, again, very similar. We just have a little bit of a change in rhythm, and it goes like this. Moving on to the chorus, we start on the A string with our first finger B natural. Okay, so notice we did have a C natural within that phrase, which means a low second finger on the A string, so a note that is not in the key of D major, but just gives the chorus a little bit of color. And then moving on to the next phrase of the chorus. Now, within that last phrase, you're welcome to add a rest if you would like after good old Rocky Top. I know that's how it's often played. Otherwise, you're welcome to just extend that open D through the end of the measure. So now that we've made it to the end, let's go all the way back to the beginning of the verse and play through this song together. 1, 2, ready, go! And that is all of Rocky Top. I really hope you enjoyed learning that one with me today. If you would like to take this song to the next level and add in some double stops and make it sound a little bit more fiddly, then head on over to Patreon and check out the extended version of this tutorial where I show you exactly how to do that. Also, if you'd like to take a look at the sheet music, you can find it in my digital sheet music library, and the link for that is in the description box below as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy practicing!